Welcome to the video, and in this video we will be focusing on string methods. In this video I will be not explaining things on slides. We will directly moving to the practical part. So first, a string method is we need to uppercase or make something like here. Abhishek Kumar is totally written in small letters, and we need to make it in capital letter so that we can use uppercase thing. So we know that strings are immutable in JavaScript, so we have to we can't change or edit the previous string, so we have to create new string for that. So in strings, here I have created string 4, and here I have given Abhishek Kumar as a string, and now we have to uppercase this thing, so that this is the syntax of uppercase, like str dot to uppercase and bracket that close colon. And for printing thing, console.log str4. I can also show you the output. Firstly, I can show you the output. Let's make it keep it here. Yeah, so inspect console, see, these are previous code, don't see above 27. See here, Abhishek Sharma, all the things are in capital letter. Now the second thing is lowercase. So here Abhishek Sharma is written in bold letters. Abhishek, all the letters are in bold or capital. So we need to create it into small letter. So for that we will use this syntax str5.to lowercase, and we will print it here. Abhishek Sharma is small letter. Now the third string method is trim. This basically removes extra space or white spaces from the start and the end. For example, here we have created string 6 as Abhishek Sharma, and we have given so many white spaces in starting. You can see there is so many spaces, and in end as well. So we need to trim it. So console.log, firstly we will obviously print it, then we will put this syntax str.trim, and console.log we will console it, and now we need to find its length as well. Firstly we have applied trim method, and now we also need string length of it. So we can see here, where is that? Okay, we got string length, and console.log str6. Okay, string, we have here string length, and we got a Abhishek Sharma. It removed all the spaces which were available before and after this Abhishek Sharma thing. So yeah, now slice is the another string method, and and it removes it basically extracts part of string from start index to end index. So here we have given string 7 Abhi Sharma, and now string 7 dot slice 1 to 8. So it will extract from 0 to 7. Console.log 7, where is the, we will yeah. So see, it is where is that slicing? It is removing A and A. You can see here where is, yeah, we got BHISHAR. We are not getting capital A and this last wala MA, because it is slicing from, it will obviously, we have given 1 to 8, so it will start slicing from 0. It will slice 0, and it will slice after 8 and 9. So this is 0, this got sliced. We are not getting output here, we are not getting capital A in the output, we are getting directly B. So B 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here we will be getting the value from 1 to 7 only. We have written here na string dot 7 slice 1 and 8, 1 comma 8. So before 1 I have written here na start index to end index. We have given 1 as start index, so it will slice everything which are present before 1. So 0 is present before 1, so a will get sliced, and now here end index is 8, so we are getting 8 as m, so it will slice things after 8, like 8 will also get sliced. We will get just 1 to 7 before 1, and from and after 8 everything will get sliced. So in output we are getting BHISHAR only. Okay, now replace this is the syntax str.replace, and it replaces old substring with new substring. Like here we have given string 8 as Abhishek Sharma is a good boy, Sharma is studying BTech in computer science. Okay, now we need to like replace something, so we will give that syntax str.replace, and now we need to replace Sharma with Verma. So firstly we will write old substring which is Sharma, and we will then give comma and write new substring. We want to replace Sharma with Verma. Then it will replaces first occurrence of Sharma with Verma, and we are like printing it. We can see it output. See, Abhishek Verma is a good boy, Sharma is studying BTech in computer science. We have not specified that we have to remove all these Sharma, so it will just remove this one, not this. Okay, now concatenation. This is the syntax of this str.concat string 2, concat string 2 to str. So like concatenation simply means like adding some new string to the previous string. Okay, so here we have given string 9 hello, and in string 10 we have given welcome to JavaScript. Then when we will be concatenating it, it will join hello welcome to the JavaScript. So we have like printing it by console.log string 9. Okay, because we are here we given taken as 9 string dot 9. Firstly the first string will come, and we are concatenating, like if we have written string 10 is equal to string 10 dot string concat string 9, then firstly it will give welcome to JavaScript, then hello. This doesn't make sense, so we are writing here string 9 is equal to string 9 dot concat string 10. Okay, see the output, it will be giving hello welcome to the JavaScript. See, hello welcome to the JavaScript. Now string dot charAt in index. This is for indexing, obviously. charAt returns characters specified index. If we are giving some we want that what index is present at that position, so it will give us. So let's string 11 as a Abhishek. You can write your name or anything. I have like written my name over here. So console.log string 11 dot character at 2. So we want that what character is present at index 2. So here 0 1 2 it will give output as h. So see, in output there is h. So we have gone through like string method, uppercase, lowercase, trim, slice, replace, concatenation, string dot charAt. Okay, so we are done with this video, and we will surely meet in the next one. Thank you for